Okay, skills. Thank you soon.
But I've got a new teacher. I took your advice, Millie. Say that he eats students he doesn't like.
It would be a shame if that somehow got posted on Instagram, wouldn't it? Because he'll probably, almost definitely, eat you.
Oh, no. Stealing from...
Well, you should have thought of that before trying to steal those important documents. And you are to be executed as fast as possible in order to teach you valuable and lasting lessons.
I will chop off his head.